So far, we have answered two important questions. What is CSE and what does CSE students actually do? Now let's answer the question which matters most. How do we succeed in CSE? Many students think that getting a CSE degree automatically guarantees success. But the truth is, degree opens the door. What you do during those 4 years actually determines how far you go. Today's technology companies look beyond marks. They look for skills, projects, problem-solving ability, and real-world experience. Your first year is where your journey begins. Learn programming seriously. Develop logical thinking. Understand how computer works. And most importantly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every software engineer started as a beginner. By your second year, start building the things. A website, a mobile application, a chatbot, or a smart solution to real-world problems. Because employers are increasingly asking, what have you built? Not just what have you studied. Success in CSE doesn't happen in classroom learning alone. You need to access modern laboratories, industry mentors, innovation platforms, hackathons, competitions, and opportunity to work on real-world challenges. That is where the learning becomes truly exciting. At PPSU, students are encouraged to learn by doing, through projects, through industry interaction, through innovation-driven activities, and opportunity to explore the emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing. Because the goal is not just to learn technology, but to create with it. Many students ask that, if AI can write a code, why should I learn CSE? Here is the answer. AI can generate code, but humans still identify problems, design solutions, make decisions, and create innovations. The future belongs to people who work with AI, not compete against it. Most successful CSE students share 4 habits. They stay curious, they build projects, they keep learning, and they continuously solve problems. Technology changes rapidly. Learners who adapt will grow. Computer science engineering is more than a degree. It is an opportunity to build a solution that can impact millions of lives. If you are curious, creative, and excited by technologies, then CSE can open a door to an incredible future. And with the right environment, mentorship, and opportunities, that future can begin today.